Hi there folks, so my heat and ventilation fan on the 997 wasn't working, so I've managed to take out the glove compartment and bought a replacement. I'll put a link in the description to this much cheaper fan that you can get from your car parts, just to show you that it's not working. Nothing. I'm going to switch it over to the new fan. Hold up. Okay, so fan switched over. Here we go. Working absolutely fine. Fantastic. It's going to take me about 20 minutes to maybe half an hour to put the glove compartment back. Oh, it's there. This piston's broken, so I'm hoping to replace that as well. Have a nice day. Fasten the holder back in. Just going to give it a go on full blast. Yep, coming up. It's not really strong unless I put this on. Yep, it's coming up nicely. Let's have a look. Alright, I'll try and repair the glove box now.